there, my name is Chris and I work as the event coordinator for Payload Studios, the makers of Terratech, and also the people who have these wonderful tentacle banners at shows like EGX, Resident and Insomnia. Now as an event manager, it's my role to make sure everything runs smoothly, but also to contact game developers when they want to showcase and talk to speakers who might want to speak at some of our events at Payload Studios. The reason why I'm doing this and why I've been doing this since I was 16 is because I love getting people together, and especially in the games industry, it feels like we're a community that needs to be grown organically rather than artificially. So it's my job to try and make everybody feel comfortable and make sure that everybody has something to learn from. In terms of advice for future talent, you can do whatever you want to do in the games industry, and there's so many more roles out there rather than just game developer, and you should totally keep an eye out for any sort of opportunity that's related to games. So go out there and get your dream job.